Who was executed for sneezing the wrong way? France, 18th century. Royal court. Etiquette was law. A courtier named Armand attends a banquet with King Louis XV. Silence. The king sips wine. Suddenly, Armand sneezes, not into a handkerchief, not toward the door, toward the king. Servants freeze. Louis raises an eyebrow. Next day, Armand is arrested. Official charge: threatening royal health and violating respiratory protocol. Trial, formality, sentence, death. Yes, it's documented. That's how Armand became the man who sneezed and was erased.